Hi, everyone. Today's upgrade is the Toyota Prado. This is the tool needed for disassembly. We prepare according to demand. First, we remove the air conditioning key panel of the original car. Then we unscrew the screws holding the original car screen and remove the original car screen. Then we unplug everything on the back of it. Okay, let's remove the silver panels on the left and right. Now let's loosen these screws. Now we're gonna remove the main engine from the original car. We removed the air outlet from the original car and installed it on the new screen. Okay, let's start connecting the cable GPS antenna to the cam cable. Connect the quad J antenna. Connect USB cable. Connect RCA cable. Now let's connect to Canbus. The plug of the new power card is connected to the plug of the original car. Now interconnect the red and white plugs on the power supply with the red and white plugs on the RCA. Connect communication serial port. Connect the radio antenna. Connect the black source. Now we can install the main frame, no need to plug in. Let's refix it. Reinstall the two silver panels. Now we'll install the new screen. This is the approximate appearance of the installation. The first thing to set up the Canbus can use the screen to operate the air conditioning. Note, the first setup requires a connection to a network. The setup is complete, and now the car air conditioning can work normally. You can also set up sound amplifiers. You can listen to online or local music, and you can adjust the timbre of the sound to your liking. You can listen to your favorite radio frequency. Support map navigation. You can go anywhere you want to go. You can watch a movie during your break. You can make a Bluetooth phone call or use the steering wheel. Support dial reminder. Support for wireless Carplay, where you can listen to music, make phone calls, use maps to navigate, and more. That's the end of the video. Thanks for watching.